Wait, am I not streaming on YouTube? Oh, okay, it says sending data. Okay. Apparently YouTube takes a while to start up. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Live? It's happening. I don't know. I turned my mic up because I thought it was pretty low, you know. Yeah. All right. What was I doing? Right. Advent of code day. I'm very behind. Uiua. There we go. Plus. Or. Wait, or? What is the YouTube? What is it? What is YouTube even? You know? What is that? What is that thing? Here it is. Like, it's my dog. I gotta fix that. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay? I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. Alright, cool. Alright. Day one. Yeah, I'm so behind. Nightshade, I'm so behind. I gotta get rid of that caffeinate. I hate that caffeinate thing. That's like a Twitch thing. I don't like it. Oh, you can see the green. That's so weird. But you can't see the green inside the cup. Oh, no, you can. Well, that's so weird. Oh, and I have a weird outline too. Well, that's so weird. Oh, it's so weird. Andrew, look, thank you for your Uiua stuff. Okay, I was stuck on part 2, and I looked at your repo, and I was like, oh my goodness, like, this is how you do it, right? Yeah, I'm streaming on YouTube. As you see, where I stream on both. Okay. Wow, I gotta fix the lighting though. Like, we gotta fix that right now. I didn't realize I changed the lights, right? And then, but it changed the green. The chroma did not. What if I do this? Oh, it doesn't. Oh, no, I'm still green. Yeah, that's true. Dang it. I don't know what I'm doing. All right, let's just get into the Uiua. Okay, so I've been kind of falling out of love with Uiua. All right. Because after that part 2, so this is part 2, day 1, part 2, right? So like this is 29, 83, 13, right? And then I think I actually do I sum these here actually? Is that what I do? Yeah. So this one's like 2, 4, right? This one's 4, 2, right? So here's 4, 2, 1, right? This is 1, 4. This is 7, 6. So it's like this is based off Andrew's solution. I mean, it's almost exactly the same, but I had to go through. So I'm gonna give myself 20 minutes to try to find a solution in Uiua, and then if I don't find it for day 2. I'm just gonna look at Andrew's thing, and we're just gonna go through it one by one token by one token. No, Gypped can't help. Gyppity cannot help. Uiua's too new, and it doesn't have enough information. I was not expecting for someone to look at it. Yeah, so sweet day 2 in Erlang. I don't even know Erlang. What the heck? I don't even know. I don't know any. I've seen Erlang syntax, but I haven't actually seen it. I haven't actually written any Erlang. So it was weird. So the whole point of Uiua, I feel like, is this is why I'm not super into it anymore, is because like this so the whole point is point free, right? You operate on the stack, right? But for this particular one, we can delete this one here. We can just replace this, right? This variable, right? So we can replace this variable, and it's the same answer, right? But the problem, I think, is this. If I try to replace n and just put it on the stack, but now my stack looks like this, right? It looks like the input and then the filter, right? So if I try to do something like this where I flip, and then I do this, and then I duplicate I either flip back and duplicate, right? I think that will work. See, it doesn't. It doesn't work though. I have to actually. I think I have to actually pop the top. I think I have to flip and then pop. No, it's like I can't do it. I don't know why. It's just 100% skill issue. Functional, yeah. Erlang is better than Uiua. Yeah, I like. I don't know. This is a lot of Uiua. And I feel like you shouldn't be writing this much Uiua. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like if your solution falls into like a neatly bucketed thing of like arrays, that's good. But I feel like this is a ton. Like, and I tried to put this all on one line, and the Uiua editor started yelling at me. It was like, oh, you have to split these up. But I guess I can go through this. I don't know. It's not point free. But what are you going to do? It's not tacit, but what are you going to do? So I can go through it. So this is what happens, right? The first thing we do is we split at new line, right, with this. And inside of this is for each row. So we can break this down, right? Because this solution is interesting, and I feel like it's like a workaround for Uiua's problems. And like it's not, so here we're trying to get 7 and 6, right? So I'll walk you through how Uiua approaches this, or how Andrew approaches this problem with Uiua, right? Because I got like this far. I think I got like this far. Find, unbox, and I did cross instead of rows, but rows was better. So here we'll just walk through this. We'll comment this real quick, and then we'll do this. We'll take this. So the first thing, right, is this is the stack, right? This is the stack at this point in time, right? So here is the input. This is the strings we're looking for in the input, right? You're probably in the top for 5%. There's zero Uiua's best. There's literally 2 Uiua programmers, I think. There's only 2 of us. And me and Andrew. I think more Uiua than AOC requires is not good for health. Yeah, I agree. So here's the stack, right? Here's the top value of the stack, the next value, and then we duplicate. So here this is what we did. We fixed, right? So this thing is at a length 1 axis, and what I did is I actually I reshaped this as 1, right? And it's the same thing, right? So reshape 1 is the same as fix. And that's what I did originally. I was like, oh, how do I get this into a box, right? Or how do I get this into an array instead of as a string? And that's what my thing was. And then I looked at Andrew's and I was like, okay, so fix. The fix is in. So you fix this to like a 1-dimensional array, or you fix it to a, what do they call it? Length 1 axis, right? So like it's a 2-dimensional array, but it has 1 axis, I guess. I don't know what it means, but so here is the thing, and then I duplicate it again, and then here. So now we're gonna call 2 functions. We're gonna call 1 function on each of these, right? So here we go. So then the next thing you have to do is you want to find unbox, but you also want to do it for all the rows, right? And then after you do that, you want to do a where, because you're getting, so here, I'll show you. So if we just did it for this, let's get rid of this because this is new, right? So let's do it for this one. So here you'll see, right? Can I duplicate this again? Do I have to duplicate this? No. So here you'll see where, right? If I do a find unbox on this, just these 2 values here, right? It's not working. It's not working at all. I don't know what I'm talking about. Wait. Why isn't this working? Wouldn't find? Oh, maybe you need, oh, it needs to be for all rows. That's what it is. So for each row, you do this. And so here you'll see there's a bunch of zeros and this 1, right? And so we found the 6, basically, right? So we found the index into this array at 6, right? I think it's specifically it's this S. And that will work for both. So here, when we bring in both, we go where, right? We go where? You should do AOC as Uiua after they bootstrap their compiler or Uiua. That's true. Yeah, bad cop. Look, I'm so far behind. Okay, day 1, part 2. Okay, I just want to go over it. Okay, so then here's where, right? And we're gonna do both, right? So we're gonna do both of these values, right? So here we'll bring in this. We'll bring back this thing, right?
Hello, Peter.
Cheeky blunder. Welcome. And we'll do range 10, right? And so now, see here, now this is it, right? So this is the actual, you're already here. You've already solved this problem, right? It's just in a weird shape, right? So calling this function on our 0 to 9 string and duplicating the stack value, which is this, and then calling the same function on this value with the fixed stack value. So like fixing this to a 1-axis array, duplicating it, and then calling this function with both, right, on this and this, right? So then we have 2 arrays. One for 6, which is at index 6, right? So then what do? You have, okay, so now in Uiua, we have 2 arrays. So we join, right? And so now you can see 7's at index 0, right? And 6 is at index 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So now you have to do one more thing, which is you got to do a transpose, right? And so now you can see that the values that we want are on top and the indexes or the indices are here, right? On the bottom. Looks like someone read the manual. I did. I was so annoyed. We was the pinnacle of AOC perf. Yeah. I was so annoyed, Rexace, that I was like, someone actually streaming Uiua? Babias. Yes. Yeah, so like this, so now we have these 2, right? And so then the next thing you have to do, so on the next line, this is the stack currently. It's just that one bit, right? So now you have to do, you want to do a select because we want to get the first and last values, but this is just for this one. I mean, this could be way worse, right? So like here, I'll do it for, this one's 9872, right? Oh, what in the world? Oh no, what did I do? Uh-oh, my God. I'm into a state. How do I escape? Oh no. Do I just refresh this? Okay. So here, well, I'll show you that was terrible. So you want to do a select, right? Hang on, can I just zoom out again? There we go. So you want to do a select, but you have to, here, I was going to show you this. So here, this one looks worse, right? So here, if we do this example, so here you can see there's a 4 at 0, right? And there's the 2 is at index 15, right? So that's where you're like, okay, now I have to like sort, right? And so this is so you want to take the first row and you want to sort, get the indices into an array if it were sorted ascending, right? And so when you do that, right, then you wind up with this, right? And then you also want to select, right? And this is kind of where I got confused because I thought that I want to take the top value too, but I also want to duplicate the current value of the stack, right? So here we go. We've got 49872. So that's the solution. 49. Oh my gosh. Why does this keep happening? Okay, so I've got 4. There, you can see it here. 49872, right? And so this line gives you that. And then you're basically done at this point. Now you're just cleaning it up, right? So now you've got this thing where you've got to take the first, multiply it by 10, right? And then you can take the first reverse, right? And then you could fork this, so which calls the value. So here you can see it's 40 and 2, right? And then you could have to join that together, right? and then you can sum them, right, with the reduce plus, and then you've got 42 for that line, right? But then you've got to put it all together. So here is where we're already here. We're back here already, right? So now you've got to put this all in this like this, right? Okay. And then you've got to uncomment all of these, right? And then we're back to our solution, right? And then at the end we've got to sum again, right? Which is fine. 281, right? So I haven't actually submitted this, but I'm fairly sure that it works because Andrew's a genius. Colchis, what's up? Oh, I demodded everyone. Oh man, I'm so glad you guys are here. Okay, so this would have happened, right? On Twitter, right? Oh, Rexace. No trust. Yeah, no one's a mod. There's only one mod. Okay, so there's only one mod. What was it? What was I? Okay, hold on. Let me go to my replies. I gotta show you this. Where was I? Okay, I was just looking for an excuse to unmod Nightshade, you know? Let me see. It was this right here. Oh, right here. This is it. Okay, so DM goes, Nightshade is the most powerful person in all of tech Twitter/Twitch, right? And I go, it's true. And then I think it's DM Over's wife goes, I have a proposition for you. And I go, I'll do it. And so she's the only mod now, right? That's it. She's the only mod. Yeah, it's the J. Cole. Yeah, exactly. Yep. So I was like, I went in there, unmodded everyone. Oh, his girlfriend? Oh, I thought it was his wife. All right. Well, maybe I shouldn't do that. I thought it was his wife. Well, anyway, she's a mod, right? But I mean, it's not like she watches Twitch anyway, so that's why it's funny, right? Yeah. Objection. Yeah. So I just went in, I unmodded everyone, and that was it. That was the whole thing. But yeah, look. So no one's a mod. It's an even playing field, you know. All right. So that's the whole story. But anyway, so that's how you solve it in Uiua. I guess I can move to day 2 now, and we'll see. I'll give myself 30 minutes, 20 minutes to solve it, 10 minutes, I don't know, to solve it. And if I can't solve it in Uiua, we'll just look at Andrew's solution and walk through it, and I'll try to understand it. Which, well, I don't know. I can read Uiua, but like I can't like formulate thoughts in Uiua, you know? Okay, so let's go advent code. What is this? Stupid advent code. It's stupid. Yeah, I'm still here. Do you see this? You see how lame I am? All right, let me see here. So this happens every year. Last year this happened. I got so far behind I just gave up. And that was when I was like, I think I was learning Rust. That was painful. What are these hieroglyphics? Codependent. It's Uiua. That's how this language is. That's how this language is pronounced. Uiua. Getting caught up on your abuse of power. Asking people incoming. Heck yeah. Mine is bad, but I found a really nice day 1 solution. Part 2 or part 1? Yeah. Your day 1 solution was good. Mine wasn't. My solution, like, it wasn't that great. I do like Uiua because it feels like playing a video game, you know? I gotta hold on. I have not installed this locally, so I have to go into Helix, and we've got to make like a scratch buffer, and we've got to like do this, and then I have to come up here, 1000 shift C. Wait. 1000 shift C. Then we got to give it a $sign. Oh geez, there we go. And then we'll just paste everything in here. Bam. Okay, and then we come with our solution, right? We just scroll down to the bottom. We'll run it. All right, so 54581, right? That's the day 2 solution. Let's see if it's right. This is the moment of truth, right? What did I say? Was it 281 before? I thought it was. All right, 1 gold star. We got it. All right, we got it. Let's go back to the advent calendar. Okay, we've got the 2. We got the stars. Okay. So this one, I already read this. Okay, I pre-read this. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Dip fork, am I kind of lang? Heck yeah. Like Borat? Uiua. How do you... Is that short link to Rebel? Oh, this is your day one, right? Yeah, see, but this is what I'm talking about. Like assigning variables in Uiua, it feels wrong, right? Like it feels wrong. Oh wait, is this your? Oh, this is part two. Oh, this is part two. But that's what I mean. It feels wrong somehow, like to do this. I don't know. I thought for sure that array programming was gonna be different somehow. Like you wouldn't have, because like this is as long as this, right? Like that's crazy. So it seems weird to assign this. I don't know. It just seems weird, Maybe that's just me. Maybe I have to understand that it's not that different after all. Maybe we're all programming in array programming languages, just in the end. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is interesting. You have to fix these both. You fix these both and then you do a fork. Oh, you're debugging right here? That is interesting. So what if I give you, let's put in some of our stuff here. Where was this thing? Let's see. There we go. We'll just do like 3 because I don't want to type a bunch of dollar signs. Ooh, that one was all numbers, which was interesting. We'll actually do that. 2, 4, 5. Right, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's run it. Wait, what? Oh, there's a test, right? Oh, there is already a test. I don't have to do this, right? You're okay. So then what do? You do like a result on it or something? You do result input? Is that what you do? Okay, yeah. 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 No, it's good.
You betrayed me. I watch you closely, very closely. I watch you.
I like the slashes though. It's not hieroglyphics. Wow, wow. I'm not clicking that. And I clicked it. It sounds like an ambulance. Yeah, it does. When I learned strings are just arrays of characters. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, array programming. You can't read from file. Yeah, you can. No, you can. So in Uiua, this is a general purpose programming. You can do anything in Uiua you can do in something like Rust, right? So if I go to docs, here, I go to down here. So here, there's like you can start a TCP server, right? You can connect. You can do a client. You can do some audio stuff, which is interesting. And then you can also like decode images somehow. But here's how you read from a file, right? So you just type in file read all to string, right? And then here's a read all to bytes. And then you could do like open a file, whatever. You can do all this stuff, right? Yeah, Uiua has all this. It has everything that you could ever want, okay? But I just haven't installed it. The Brave Clicker. I trust Andrew, okay? Remove debugging? Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, so you can. Tamwile, you can read from Uiua. Yeah. Uiua, wait, what is that? How do I even say this? What is this? Uiua stack? Wait, what? I don't know how to read that. I am programming in probably the worst language ever. Worse than Uiua? Are you talking about JavaScript? What are we talking about? As long as purpose is pain, it's general purpose. Worse than JS. Intercal. What in the world is that? Could have just said go. Oh, got him. All right, so that's my solution, right? It worked. It was good. We'll start over fresh. We'll just start a new pad here, right? So we'll run this, nothing, right? All right, so let me let's do day 2. So we'll put this in here, right? Since I already read this. And so I think the goal is to do like a max value thing, right? Like, so games, if I look at this, I think I remember reading this. I was at the mall. Look, I don't know what I was doing. Okay. I was doing errands with my wife. I don't know what's going on. I was just reading this because I was bored. So let's see. So this is 13 green. But then you also have to know, what was it? You also have to know, oh, here we go. The elf would first like to know which games would have been possible if the bag contained only 12, 13, and so okay, so let's start the timer. What is it? 11:09. By 11:29, I will have failed this, right? Possible if, right? I will have failed this, and then we will look at Andrew's solution. So give me 20 minutes to flap around like a loser, and then let's see, 12. Okay, so let's do this. So basically, I think the goal of this, right? Possible games, right? Are right. 12, 13, 14, right? HDMX plus Uiua, the hee-haw stack. No, that would be, honestly, look, it's Ogre. I would be into that, honestly. I got this. Yeah, get pushed. I do not have this. I need to give up on Advent. It kept seg faulting on day 3. Wait, or Malvulge? Nix, are you programming in Nix OS? Like, are you programming? What is this? Oh my gosh! What the heck is ST? What is that? What is this? What kind of language is this? Oh, what is this? Some kind of bash thing? Oh, is this Nix actually? Is that what it is? GitHub syntax. Yeah. Oh, it's small talk? Oh, small talk. Uiua stack, pronounced Huawei. Oh no, cold float. No, I don't like that. Have you asked ChatGPT who the CEO of HDMI? Does it really? Dude, Git push has made it. Okay, Git push has made it. All right. Okay, so possible games are 12, 13. Okay, so if there are 12, 13, and 14 blue cubes, that means that game 5 is possible because none of the things on either side crack
What's happening?
Crack Mikado, welcome. So none of the things on any part of the semicolons exceed these values, right? So you're like looking for, this is the maximum value, but this one does, right? So this whole game is done, right? Because there's 20 red and there's only 12 red, right? So, and then this one's 15 blue. So there's only 14 blue. So this whole game, games 3 and 4 are not possible, but games 1, 2, and 5 are possible. I just want to double check my logic here. Games 1, 2 would have been possible. Did I say that? 1, 2, and 5? I think I said that. Yeah. Okay, that's it. So 1, 2, and 5 are possible. 3 and 4 are impossible because they are more than the max value, right? So this is like a annoying thing in Uiua. Like you have to. I'm starting to understand this. So the first thing you have to do is like par box, and then you have to like do this not equals. So we need to do 2 things. We need to do 3 things, right? The first thing is, which I don't know how to do, is we need to get the game, right? We need to keep track of which game we're in, right? We are in, right? So we should probably split at colon, right? So split at colon, right? Because we need to know which games are possible and which games are impossible, right? Because what does the solution looks like? If you add up the IDs of the game, you get 8, right? 1, 2, and 5, right? So 3 plus 5. All right. So we need to keep track of which game we're in, right? So just doing that for the next 15 minutes, I probably won't even get that. So that's my first problem, right? My number 1, right? So number 2 is now that we have which game we're in, we need to know, if the game is possible, right? So I think we're gonna need some intermediate, I don't think there's a good like one-liner Uiua solution here, because we need to keep track of some state, right? Or maybe we don't. Maybe we can. Oh, you know what? Maybe what we okay. If the game is possible, which means the
Hello, Peter.
numbers
What's happening?
PhD horrible. Welcome. So the number of games, right? Or the number of cubes. The max number, none of the games exceed max number of RGB cubes, right? So that's it right there. None of the games exceed are greater. What am I saying? Exceed are greater than the max number of RGB cubes, right? So we'll just say none of the cubes, right, are greater than the max number. So these are the max number, right? And do they give you like a different one? Determine which games. 12, 13, 14. Oh, it's the same. Okay. All right. So So we'll just put this up here. Day 2 AOC, advent of code. Day 2, part 2, right? Okay, cool. So this is it, right? This is basically it. This is the idea. It's 2 parts. You have to check if the game is possible, and you have to check if which game we have, right? So I guess I'm gonna try this first, right? Feels like it's punishing humans because LLMs exist now. Wait, what? Oh, advent of code. Wait, Laser One, welcome.
What's happening?
This problem is explained so poorly. Part 2 is explained even worse somehow. Reading requirements tougher than reading Uiua.
We will wait
Each
when
game
we
has
with
rounds.
weird words with Uiua while working with Sui Wilka.
Yeah, each game has rounds delimited by semicolons. Yeah, so any of the rounds, right? That is Cody Pettit. That was like the best. Yeah. So super senior engineer attempts admin of code. I know it's not good with Uiua. Cold float. That's the problem with Uiua, right? So my understanding is if any of these games within the semicolon are outside the realm of possibility, then you could just get rid of the whole game, right? That's what I understood. So I don't have to actually why do I keep doing this? I don't actually have to. Oh geez. Oh no. All my stuff just got deleted. Dude, I thought for sure it would save me. All right. Freaking A. That is the worst. Unbelievable skill issues out here. I really got to install this locally. All right. How do I get it to... Do I have to run? Oh, that's how I get it to save.
3 sets of cubes are revealed from the bag.
What?
Then put back again. The first set is 3 blue cubes and 4 red cubes. The second set is 1 red cube, 2 green cubes, and 6 blue cubes. The third set is only 2 green cubes.
Okay. No, I have to hit run. So I can't use the browser here. I have to hit run to get it to save to the URL. So now I can refresh, right? And now it's fine, right? As long as I hit run. I didn't hit run. All right, so we'll just do a shortcut, right? We'll just say AOC day 2. Let's see. So we'll try the games first, right? Get the game IDs, right? We can shortcut this. We can simplify. Get the game IDs where the number of cubes, the number of red cubes, we'll spell it out. Number of red cubes less than, what was it, 12? I already don't remember. 12, 13, and 14, right? Okay, we'll do that. Let's put this here. Okay, where 12, right? Less than 12, green, less than 13. We'll do this. Man, it'd be cool if this was a programming language, right? That'd be sweet. I'm honestly really bad at these things, like these puzzle things. So it's even worse than I'm trying to do in Uiua. Okay, so let me see. Blue, red, green, blue, right? Okay, so this is it. This is the whole game statement, right? And so if any of these are invalid, right? So I'm basically just getting these values. I'm getting this tuple, right? I'm getting this tuple, and it can be a program if you copilot hard enough. Yeah. So I'm getting this. I'm getting each of these tuples basically, and I'm getting this ID, right? And then I'm checking that these tuples are less than these things. So I can actually use a little Uiua stuff, right? So I could do red. Oh, I can't. Can I do that? Can't couple. We'll just we could just say 12 z. Oh, I don't want to do that. We'll do. Can I do this? No, I can't. Okay. Well, so we'll just box, I guess, even though I really don't want to box, but that's fine. So we'll just do something like this: 12 red, 13 green, right? I actually don't know if this is a good Uiua situation. 14 blue, right? Oh, you know what I could do actually? Instead of yeah, that's fine. We'll do tuples with mixed values, right? So now so here we have boxed 12 red, 13 green, 14 blue. Okay. So let me just try to get the game IDs. What do I have? 10 minutes? 10 minutes. That's not gonna work. We're gonna be looking at Andrew's solution really quick. 12, 13, 14. Ooh. 0, 1, 2. That's even better, Vincent. That's even better. Does this exist? No. Cody Pennant. So brain BF is please rate Nyx. Nyx is, it's the best. I don't know how to do it, but I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, that's actually better. Let's do red. 0 is red. 1 is green. 2, these are indices. 2 is blue, right? And then we could just do 12, 13, 14, right? Which I like the array syntax better, but you know what? But yeah, here we go. So now these are our 2 values on the stack, right? So first we have to get the game IDs, right? So we have to do the thing. We get to split the thing. We got to split at new line, duplicate the thing. Oh, you know what? Actually, we've got to do this as like n, right? And then here now we can duplicate, and we could do parbox does not equal. Is that how you do it? All right, so now we've split up the new lines, right? So now I have one I have one array for game 1, one array for game 2. So now we have to, for each of these, right? Can I do this? Is that fine? Oh, unbelievable. What if I just did that box? Okay. All right, so maybe we'll try one at a time. We'll just do one at a time. We'll just get this one line, right? Because I want to do something. Before I look at Andrew's thing in 8 minutes, I want to do something. All right, so let's see. So this is what we're looking at. We can just comment these out for now. Right? I am not going to get this. This is not going to happen in 10 minutes. Okay. So now you got this. So we can split. We don't want to split. Basically, what I want to do is I want to just get. Oh, I see what you mean. Within the semicolon, we have to make sure, because I can't just sum up the values, right? But I could do. Oh, it sucks to split at. Oh man, this is horrible. I don't know how to do this in Uiua. Maybe I could do like the old trick I did before, which is like both. Maybe we'll try something like we want to split at comma and semicolon and colon. All right. So maybe we'll do something like this. We'll do there's actually an experimental thing called all, which calls a function on many distinct sets of values. So we basically want a function that's like split parbox does not equal any of these, right? Colon, right? Because if I do that, right? We gotta duplicate. Yeah. So here, if I did colon, it separates game 1 from these. And then from there, I'd have to do rows, I think, right? I'm not going to get this. I don't even know what I'm doing. I have 7 minutes. Yank Andrew's split. Yeah, I'm gonna yank his whole solution in 7 minutes. Rows. Okay, so I think I want like I haven't even started. Rows. I think I want like. Do I want to do this again? Now that I have this, right? I think in Uiua, what I want to do is like split on semicolon, right? But I think really what I want to do is just check the numbers, right? I just want to check n that they're less than n, right? Um, so in this thing, if I had these as 0, 1, 2, I'd have to like change these to be 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. This is a bummer. But I guess what I could do is we could try rows. This is why I don't understand like how to do this in. I guess I don't understand array thinking still. I thought I did. I could read it and then I go through and I'm like, oh yeah, this is the value of stack, like blah blah blah. All right, let's do like rows. Because I can't think like all of this at one time. But if I take this, and I take this as an array, right? Then I can sort of like build up, I guess, right? Because this, what is this, like a box? Actually, what is it? If I take the first value, it's just game 1, right? But if I take the second value, right? Keep 1, keep 2. Oh, interesting. What in the world? What if I first? What if I do first again? Oh, okay. So what if I do drop 1? Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I want, right? What if I do drop 1 again? Okay. All right. So for this, I would probably... I lose the game, though. So I need to do over... For all of the rows... Can I just, like, do identity just to see, I guess? Right? Can I just do that? Okay, perfect. So for each of these rows, I need to split par box. I don't like this thing. This is horrible. So now I need to split again and duplicate again, right? But I can't even do this. Do I dip? Do I do rows dip? Is that what I do? Dip, maybe? Inside of this? This is horrible. I guess I could approach it in 2 different ways, right? So let's just drop 1. And then now I'll focus on this. So what would I do? Par box does not equal colon duplicate. Do I need to... What is this value? What if I reshape it as 1? No, that doesn't do anything. What do I get the length? Oh, it's just one length of 1? Oh, no wonder. I need to actually, I can't do row. There's only 1 value. Oh, I need to actually just split this value. Does not equal this? Pardon, it must be...
Now I understand why us programmers don't get invited to parties. This is what we do for fun.
Pop and swap. Did I get it? I don't think I got it at all. All right, we got 3 minutes. It's not going to happen. I think lots of little steps. Yeah. I mean, I am trying it, but like, it's not working out. Let's see. I need this to be multiple values. Because it's not a string. Right? What is... I wouldn't pop, right? How do I like D-shape? Would I D-shape? No, it doesn't even do anything. What in the world? If I take first, though... Oh, wow. Okay, so what... Oh, this is not good. Oh, there we go. So now if I take first, what happens? Oh, it's just it's the character space. Oh... Okay, so what if I do par box does not equal this dot, I guess? Dude, is this not a string? What's the length of this? 40. It is a string, right? Am I crazy? Does not equal this, maybe? What in the world? What? What? This is not a string. First? It gets a character. This is totally a string. What if I D-shape this? All right, we got to go to... This is how I program Uiua. I go over Weewisms. Weewisms. Uiua-isms. Oh my gosh. This is a bummer. That's it. It's Andrew's solution time. I'm already frustrated. Let me see. Where do I go here? Oh. Where were we? Oh, here it is. Uiua wisdoms. Convert a string to a list of code points? No. I honestly, I wanted to do like D shape. It's split an array by delimiter, right? So here it is, right? Split an array by delimiter with fill elements. So I did do this, right? But for some reason, this value... Oh, wait, what's this? Join a list of box strings? That's probably what I want. Join reduce pack? Let's try it. At least it is a string now, right? So now I can do it again, right? Which is, this feels wrong, right? This definitely is not feeling good because I have to do this one more time. Yeah, then I have to do it again. I have to pack. Oh my gosh, I have to pack this again, and then I have to join again. Oh my goodness, this is horrible. And then I have to split on. I have to split on par box. Oh, I see. But I would do like a both, right? Instead of doing this multiple times. But really what I want to do is par box again does not equal semicolon. Oh, I got to duplicate the stack again. Okay, so now I have this. And then we've got it one more time. Pack this, join. Okay, so now I have a string with nothing, right? Yeah, so now I can split on spaces, right? And just keep non-spaces. But anyway, let's just, this is not going well because I'm duplicating all my stuff. And so what I would do, I guess, is probably something like, this is a function, right? And then I have to apply, this is a function, and this is a function, right? Oh, I see. So I'd have to actually do this like both and then do this function. Abstraction. This is, I mean, this does feel like regular program. I thought for sure there'd be like an array cool thing that I could do, but this is 100% skill issues though. Don't listen to me. So I'd have to do this and then I do this, right? But I want to do colon and then this, and then this. So what would I do, like a repeat? I would repeat it for all the values? I don't know. Let's just look at the solution. I usually try day one in APL since it used to be some variation of summing numbers. Wasn't a bit sad I couldn't do this? Yeah. Now I understand. Oh, wait. Did I look at the solution? Wait, what? All right. Let's go to Andrew's solution. GitHub, what was it? Admin of here it is. I already have it. Look at that. Day two? No. Day two. Okay, part one. Nicer part one. Let's look at the dirty part one first, right? We'll look at the nicer part one. Oh, look at this thing. All right, so let me see. Oh, he did the same thing. Ref is 12, 13, 14. This right. Okay, so you split the stuff, right? Oh my goodness. What in the world is this? What in the world is this? Man, the Uiua, you know? It never, is it really? Is this regular? Oh, it is regular expressions. Let's do the non-regular expression one. Is there a non? Oh yeah, look at this. This is what we want to see, right? Oh, look at this thing. Interesting. Add zeros if color is not present in the input. Shoot. This is a lot of Uiua. Oh my goodness. Normalize colors. Oh, wow. What is happening? Oh, this is a parse line. Okay, let me see. Oh, look at this. Look, it's similar, right? Does not equal. And then, oh, spaces. Interesting. Okay, let's do the regular. Who cares if there's regular expressions? Let's just do it. It's doing the heavy lifting, but it's all good. All right, let me see. We'll just cancel. Well, we'll open a new one. We'll open a new pad. It's fine. Let me see. Pad. Good. Refresh this so it gets the stuff. All right. Let me see. So this just does the new line split, right? So if I like comment this out, right? Ooh, is that a table? It is a table, isn't it? So we'll comment this out. Okay, so this gets this, right? And then this gets, what is this? RGB? Andrew, thank you. Thank you for all your hard work, okay? I have no idea is happening in my old solution. Right, don't you dare. Yeah, seriously. Dread it. Just the same. I don't know. I mean, like, I don't know. We'll look at the other one, I guess, too. But this one, we'll look at the. So what is this? This regular expression just splits on. It just gets all the numbers, right? So this is the string RGB, and then this is apply a function to each combination of elements of two arrays. So apparently inside of this is two arrays, and there's also a fill 0, right? So we'll take this one line at a time, right? Actually, let's just see what this does. Okay, so this actually gives you 4. What am I looking at? 4, 1. Is there a 10? Where's 10? What in the world? Why is there? Oh, there's 20. Oh, this is giving you. Wait. What is this even doing? I don't even understand what is this? 4, 14. Is there a value for? Oh, here's 14. Okay, 20. 20's in here though, right? Oh, I'm looking at this up and down, right? Is this what I'm looking at? This is crazy. Let's see what this does. Let's just look at this one at a time. Let's do like game 1, for example, right? And let's just comment this out, and we'll do this because I really want to understand Uiua, the Uiua way of thinking. Let's do this. Let's just do this regex on this. This. Yeah. Can this still work? Okay, so apparently this does nothing, right? Apparently I need something here. I need do I have to do table on this? Let's see, table. But I didn't think I would, right? No, I didn't think so. Table is just for the multiple values, right? So what is the value here? It's RGB. Okay, and then what does this actually do? What is this underscore? Why is there an underscore? What is this? Let me see. Regular expression? Let's go to the docs. Let's go down here. Regex. Oh, okay. So you would do something like this. It takes a string and a string, right? And then so it takes a regex and it takes a string. Look vertically. 426. It's more Uiua. Yeah, it's more Uiua. I'm almost tired of Uiua, but like I'm still into it. You need at to make it work without table. It's grouped by color on each row. Oh, is it? Okay, let's look at it again, I guess. Let me think. If I need them all like to work, I guess that's why I thought I could like break down easier, right? But apparently I don't know where to break it down even, which is bad. What did I do? Oh, this. Right. So that's 426. 4. Oh, I see. So we're looking at it's how many reds? Wait, how many? 426 for this one value? Wait. Are these does this only work if I have, what if I bring this in? 134. What in the world? Oh, is this 0, 1, 2, right? Is that what it is? What if I don't what if I don't unbox and parse? Does it still work? Does it still work? Oh yeah, it does. Look at that. That just gives you the actual numbers. That's just a little nice thing. Okay, because I guess you need them later, right? Because you're determining which one. So let me think about this. This is if I just have this one thing, right? This takes the digits. It parses them, and then for each row it parses. Oh, it takes the maximum of 2 arrays. The maximum of which 2 arrays? This parsed array Oh, and this. Oh my gosh, why do I keep doing this? How do I get out of here? Oh my gosh. Drop a file to load. I don't want to drop a file. Stupid piece of crap. Let me see. I don't know why I keep doing this. Can I just like delete this? Because I don't want to lose. Well, have I ran this? I think I ran it. Okay, we're good. All right. Let me see this. 426, right? This is 4 reds. Is that what I'm looking at? 2 greens. 2. Oh, because you did something, right? Where you reduced. You reduced on the max. What in the world? What if I didn't do this? What if I didn't do these? Oh, okay. Let me see. What if I just did rows with identity, right? Or ID? Reduce ID? Oh, you can't even do that. Okay, so I do. What if I don't do max? What if I do min? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I see. Okay. Okay, so now you're getting the max value for red, 2 green. Oh, wow. And then 6 blue. Oh, so you're getting the max value already. That's insane. So this value here and this value, that's crazy. Reduce max. But what? How do you RGB? Oh, you're using the string. Wow. This is crazy. I would have never thought to do this, okay? I would have never thought to do this. 4 red. Yeah. Essentially matches for a number followed by R. Yeah. Change to get just the reds. Right. But that's what I would have never thought to do this. This is insane. Wait, no, that's not true, right? Underscore R? No, it doesn't even work if it's just R, right? What is this? Underscore? Oh, you're talking about this. So yeah, you're talking about this. Right. Because these are two arrays. So I'm applying this function. Oh, apply this whole function to this array of characters. Wow. So like I could probably read this better if I did a transpose, right? Because now I see 4, 2, 6, right? So like in my mind, I read left to right. But yeah, this is insane. I would have never thought to do this ever. I would be here for 20 years and I would have never thought to do this. This way of thinking is like this table. Oh my gosh. What in the world? Andrew, you're a genius. I would never as well. I saw this idea in Uiua Discord. Oh, come on, Andrew. I just said you're a genius. DM Mulray, what's up? Hey, it's so much better than my original. Yeah, this is insane. Like I can't help but look in awe of this. Like, I mean, could ChatGPT do it? I don't know. I don't know. There's a lot of context here. Like, first of all, you'd have to know that this regular expression does this thing, right? Jeez. I mean, this is dense. Look at this fill. All right. Look, I give up on Uiua, okay? We're just going to be reading solutions today. That's all we're going to be doing. Okay, so then this part comes in here. What happens? So then you flip the stack, right? So this is the stack at this point, right? It's 4, 2, 6, 4, 2, 6. And then so if I switch this, I could do BGR, and then I could do 14, 13, 12. I get it. So okay, so we've got 4, 2, 6, 1, 3, 4. Okay. And then we've got what do we have here? 20, right? And then you come in here and what do we do here? We take the reference, we flip, why do we flip? There's only one value, right? Am I crazy? Wait. There's only one value here. Why would you have to flip? Oh, because you put ref here on top. Why would you ref then flip? Wouldn't you, couldn't you just do this? It'd be the same thing. Let's see, what is the solution? So wouldn't it be the same thing? Oh, wait, wouldn't you just do ref here? Oh, you'd have to dupe, right? You'd have to dupe and then, oh, wait, that doesn't actually work. What in the heck? Okay. Well, I wonder if you could probably dip. That's weird. I don't know why you'd do that. All right, so anyway, then what happens? You subtract. Oh, because you're subtracting. I see. I see. Minimum, take the minimum of 2 arrays. Okay, so then at this point here, all right, we've got this, right? And then you take the minimum of, wait, of 2 arrays. Oh, you reduce. Do I have to do that too? Oh, I do. Okay. So we reduce the minimum, just like we reduce the max. Oh my, I literally cannot talk. Like, dude. Freaking A. All right, so then we just, what is this one? Where? And we do greater than, and then we, okay. Oh, you're just trying to see which one's greater than 0, right? You're trying to get you're trying to just get rid of the negatives, right? And then so now you have the indexes, right? And so for some reason you add 1. Because if I didn't add 1, oh, I see, because we're off by 1. And then you have to reduce to find the answer, right? Yeah, we're off by 1, right? That's interesting. This is, I don't, actually, you know what? This part is strange, I feel like, right? I feel like this is strange. When you have this, I mean, you can probably just come in here. Oh, I see, because you want to do an operation on, you want to get the ones that are less than. Yeah, I feel like there might be a better way to do this. Wouldn't you just say, if it's greater than, like if this value is greater than this value, right? Like you'd pick each one, each row, right? Oh, I see, because you didn't transpose. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like there might be something there, right? I re-implemented it from memory just now. No, ChatGPT does not. Try to solve, Borman. I didn't even, wait, what? Oh my gosh. The bots though. Hey, DM Mulroy, J. Cole is the only mod in this chat. Try to solve part 2 using parsed array. You can do it better. I was trying to make it fast so you can see a nicer solution. Oh, I see. Okay. Try to solve part 2 using parsed array. Oh shoot, it's already been an hour. Dang it. All right, I actually gotta do a bunch of work, so I gotta get going. Dang it, man. We only got through part 1. What was part 2? Let's just.
And their games. Does it make you feel things SWLKR?
No.
Does
It makes me feel sad because I can't get this Uiua solution. What is Uiua language aimed at? Backend? Is it super fast? It looks like machine lang. No, it's aimed at array programming. It's general purpose. You could use it for anything, you know? J. Cole, first time chatter. Oh my gosh, already admin before they chatted. How did that work? How does that work, J. Cole? How does it feel? Uiua's greater than Frost. Uiua is none of the above. Oh, come on, Nix. It's aimed at something. Mad at me. Don't be jealous, mad at me, all right? Look, my only admin is my best friend, okay? So, look, that's how it is, all right? Rust greater than Uiua? Yeah, Uiua is just, you have to do a bunch of circular, like you have to dance around the problem, right? Like you can't just come at it like imperatively, right? I think that's a good constraint, but it's like bad too, you know? I don't know. I haven't made my mind up on Uiua, you know? Rust equals infinity. I don't know what that means. Does Uiua have a modulo operator? Nix, you can ask me. Okay, you can. I know Uiua. All right, you don't have to ask Andrew. Okay, you can ask me. I feel a little bad that you didn't ask me about that. Does it have mod? Yeah, it has mod. Right, modulus right here. Boom, boom. Look, Nix. Okay, I know. All right, we know about Uiua. I gotta find someone to raid. I didn't know Uiua was stable. I'm using in prod now. Yeah, as you should. Laser one, as you should. No, it's stable. It says right here. Uiua's. Don't listen to this. Don't read this. All right, Uiua is stable. Okay, the stability. It'll be fine. Okay, prod won't ever go down. Bloat. A proper language like doesn't need that bloat. Oh my gosh. I get the appeal of the challenge using Uiua. Yeah, it's good. So bloated if you have mod. Yeah, modulus like ugh. Like who needs that? All right. I don't know what's happening. Who else is streaming? Let's see. Because I gotta actually do like a bunch of work. So where do I go? Home? What am I doing? What's happening? How do I get to Twitch? How do I get out of here? I'm stuck in Twitch. Oh, Trash is streaming. Oh, cool. Is he doing Advent? Let's see. Oh my gosh, I'm not subbed to Trash. Stupid ads. Let me see. If Rust equals bool true, are you assigning Rust to a bool? Uiua is definitely prod ready. Yeah, yeah. You should use Uiua for everything. Like you should make iOS apps with it. Server stuff like you could do HTMX browser stuff. You know, Uiua could do everything, but pretty much. Like I feel like Uiua, it can do everything. It's good to go. I'm dropping OCaml for Uiua. I don't think Trash could do ASC. Dang. I mean, I didn't do it either with Uiua. I just did full stack Uiua. Yeah, that's what you need, right? Raid TCAP. Oh, instead of Trash Dev. Oh, I just suffered through this. Thing. Who's TCAP? What do I do? Where do I go? Who is that? TCAP? TCAP 1? C++ compute shader. Dude, look at that bed. Look at that bed in the background though. This guy's legit. Like he's hardcore programmer. Wait, why is the video so, oh, there it goes. Well, who do you guys want to see? Trash or this guy? How do I turn this up? There we go.
Points
Whoa,
count.
what is this? Chiptunes?
Size
I don't know
point
about this.
count.
Decap? All right.
This
Eduardo.
velocity shit.
Oh, come on now. We're going with
That's
TCAP.
gonna fail.
Ready to me? I'm not ready yet.
Will it fail?
You just want OCaml. All right, we'll do TCAP because I never rated TCAP before, so we'll rate TCAP. All right, it was fun. I'll be back tomorrow, probably with Advent of Code Day 2, Part 2. I'm never gonna catch up. It's not good. I might fall back to Rust, you know. But all right, see you later. Bye.